I have to say this was one of the most beautiful Shabbats, one of the most beautiful celebrations that Nachshon has ever had. But the spirit of Nachshon is in every service that we do. And the importance of Shabbat, at least for our community, is because it's a time when we come together as a family and we settle and we stop and we appreciate through the different prayers and through the different skits that we may have, through our Torah theater program, through our music, we appreciate, and as a Jewish people, that's what Shabbat is for. It's about bringing community together. It's about bringing our grandparents, our families to a table to enjoy the music, the sound, the smells, and the feeling of what it means to be part of a community, and part of the greater community of Jewish people. And Hanukkah, so important this year. Hanukkah more than ever is about how we look at the darkness. We begin all of our holidays in darkness, but look that every time there is darkness, we can see the light so much more vibrantly. And this is something that we teach at Nachshon. This is our mission, that we want to take this light, and we want to use that light to inspire all of our children and our families to practice Judaism in a way that makes them feel good and wise and make good choices. So we invite you to any of our celebrations because we want to teach you, learn with you, grow with you, and take the next generation of Judaism forward. This is the place that it's happening.